All right. Hope you're enjoying this weather. A little too hot for me, but good to be inside with the air conditioning doing some math. Right? All right. So hope everyone's doing okay. So we're talking about the period of a function. Okay. We have introduced a b term to the graph. All right. Here we go. So determine the period. Okay. So period is 2 pi over b. B term right there. B term, B term, B term. Always in front of the x. B term. Okay. So the period is 2 pi over 10, pi over 5. Okay. 2 pi over 8, pi over 4. Okay. And these are the periods. Okay. Period is 2 pi over b. Okay. It's okay if that happens. Okay. And then you get 6 pi. All right. And down here, 2 pi period is 2 pi over 4/3 equals. Now you put this in the calculator. Leave out the pi. Okay. Leave out the pi. Just do 2 divided by 4/3. Okay. And let the pi just hang out. Okay. 2 pi over 0.25. Same thing. Just put that in your calculator and you get 8 pi. 2 pi over 0.4. Just put that in your calculator and you get 5 pi. Okay. There you go. It can also have a pi in it, which is no big deal. Okay. So you have 2 pi over 2 pi over 7. Okay. So this one, you can put the pi in. Okay. Because they'll cancel. All right. So that's okay. And you get 7. Then we have 2 pi over 2 pi over 365, which is just going to be 365 because the 2 pi's cancel. 2 pi over 9 is 9. Oh, sorry, 18. Okay, because you had to invert multiply. Okay, perfect. All right, what else do we have? 3 and 4. All right, if the period, so now the period equals 18. So period is 2 pi over b. So 18 equals 2 pi over b. Cross multiply, you have 18b equals 2 pi. And then divide by 18. So you have 2 pi over 18, which is choice 1, pi over 9. Okay. Okay. So for the next one, it is known the sine curve is a pattern. So okay, so that is your period. So P is 2 pi over 7. So 2 pi over 7 equals 2 pi over b. Okay, so clearly these match. So b equals 7. Choice 2. Okay, all right, good job. Good job, good job. Now, to hand in. Okay, to hand in. All right. Okay, I want you to hand in number 7. Okay, now I just want to see. It looks like, okay, so I'm going to show you. I just want to see this part of it right here. You don't have to show me to the left of the y axis. Okay, you know this, you know this. Okay, now you have to find the period by 2 pi over b. That is b. Okay, now the only thing that we haven't seen yet, okay, is having numbers instead of radians. You know, the 2 pi and the pi over 2. So what's going to happen is if you have, okay, something like this, okay, here's your 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, because those are the 4 right here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're going to show me where your midline is. Okay, y equals, make sure you show me the highest and the lowest. Okay, let's just say that the period is 8. Okay? That means that one complete curve will be from 0 to 8. So this has got to be 8. Therefore, this is 2, 4, 6. Okay? That's all. If the period was 10. Okay, what we would do is this would be 10, 5, 2.5, and 7.5. Okay? And whatever it is, if it's a sine curve, you have here, then highest, back to the midline, lowest, back up here. Now, some people are not having curves. They're doing like this. No good. You're losing points. It has to be a curve. Some people aren't starting at the midline and the y-axis. Someone who started down here. No good. -1. Okay? So you have to make sure that you do these graphs correctly. All right? So do number 7 to hand in by Friday. If you have any questions, see me at the Google Meet, okay? Or send me an email. All right? All right, we're doing well. Couple more weeks left. Keep working hard.